Hey, Mimi, what are you doing? You're flying a kite? You're flying your triangle Barbie kite? You're doing really good. You know, there's some string left. We could probably make it go even higher. But Brisa's ready. Come here, Brisa! Come here, honey! I need you over here. Hey, Brisa, where's the kite? Up in the sky? You like the kite? Dead there. Brisa, where's the kite? Up in the sky? Oh, let me look. There's the kite! Who's flying the kite?